Designing robots, mechanisms, or complex assemblies in SOLIDWORKS? We've started building a new tutorial playlist focused on the workflows that help engineers, students, and creators design faster, collaborate better, and catch problems before they become expensive. These tutorials are inspired by real-world robotics and engineering workflows, but the techniques apply far beyond competition robots. Whether you're part of a robotics team, a student, an educator, or just sharpening your CAD skills, there's something here for you. And we're just getting started. More tutorials are already on the way, covering additional SOLIDWORKS tools, engineering workflows, and real-world design techniques to help you move from concept to finished product more efficiently. So if you want to build smarter designs and improve your engineering workflow, now's the perfect time to jump in.
Check out the playlist linked here and in the description, and be sure to subscribe to the SOLIDWORKS Tutorials channel to get the latest and greatest learning content we provide.
More videos are coming soon.